Alright, day 2 of Vlogmas. I have already mailed the card that I packaged up this weekend, and I need to do a couple more things, actually 3 things for today. Put screen printed transparencies onto t-shirts. I need to do a little bit of business work, and thirdly, I need to make like paper boxes or bags for some goodies that I'm putting together for coworkers. So follow along for all of that on day 2 for Vlogmas. Where is it? You know, you make it really difficult to record stuff. You're just distracting and so loud.